modern cleaning cart and tool systems are revolutionizing cleaning efficiency. Sam Mullins, Senior Product Manager with Unger, will deliver this presentation. And now I'll turn it over to Sam.
Thank you so much, April, and thank you everyone for being here today. I'm really excited to tell you a little bit more about our latest product invention and innovation. So without further ado, let's jump into the Unger world of cleaning carts, and I'm going to show you how they can help revolutionize your cleaning efficiency of your business. So please play along and raise your virtual hand if you can relate to any of these pain points. We're not going to call on you. We're just looking for a show of hands to have a total, but just curious if one of your major pain points is labor. We've heard this a lot in the industry, finding good labor, training laborers, employees calling out sick or getting injured on the job, unfortunately, and then also problems with employee dissatisfaction or unhappiness with their jobs. So just a show of hands if any of you guys have these same pain points. We totally get it at Unger, and we want to show you how our cleaning cart systems can make the labor that you have more efficient. So here is our upgraded line of cleaning carts, providing you with an upgraded fleet. These are appropriately named the RX cleaning cart system because they are the prescription for clean, giving you the right tool in the right place for the right job. So as the BSC or cleaning industry professional, it is your job to keep up appearances and cleanliness of buildings. So we think that your cart should look the part. If you leave here remembering anything, I'd love you to take away these 3 solutions that set Unger carts apart. The first is that they're turnkey. The second is that they're organized. And third is that they're very durable. Your solution just rolled in. Unger is the only brand that offers a fully turnkey cart solution. And what this means is that you order one SKU and you get all of those tools you see here on the right. This provides an ease of ordering convenience, and the BSCs and industry professionals that we interviewed told us that having the kits bundled as a kit saves them time. It provides a level of convenience, and it also standardizes their cart kits across all locations, which ultimately saves everybody a lot of time and energy. Next is the solutions that we offer are very organized, and we are the only cart system in the industry that has these easy clips. An organized cart system means that your cart is going to look the part. It is going to be better looking, and it is going to be suitable for high-end locations and Class A building. So like I said, the patented Easy Clip system keeps your tools in place and organized. We have this unique sticker system that can be customized to meet your specific needs. And this helps to provide this helps to make it easier for you to train your employees, and they understand that every tool has a place. And while they're out doing their rounds, they can be confident that they have what they need on their cart. And it's really going to eliminate trips back and forth to the janitorial closet, which takes time and takes them away from where they're supposed to be at that given time. The third and final thing that sets us apart is that our carts are really durable. And the quality of our cart systems means that they're going to have a longer lifespan, so that they're going to last a lot longer and eliminate or reduce the need to replace them as often. As you can see on the screen, Unger offers a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee on our cart systems, as well as all of the tools that come on them. So we stand behind our products, and we know that you guys will continue to use them for years. Another feature within our carts that sets us apart is the built-in integrated spill tray that you see around the bottom edge of all of our RX carts. And this is important for a few reasons. The first is that it keeps any tools that may drip off of the floor, so you are not making a mess while you're trying to clean. And second, it helps to keep the tools on the cart versus hanging off with the possibility of them falling off and potentially breaking. So these things all make Unger carts stand out from the rest. And now I mentioned that these carts are turnkey. They come with all these tools, but I really want to point out that these tools are not just your run-of-the-mill basic tools that have been around for years. They're really innovative, and they were designed to protect the cleaner. Take, for example, all the way on the left here, that is our Ergo toilet brush. And I've been told anecdotally a few times that it is the custodian crowd pleaser. Why, you ask? Because it's hygienic. It is 2 feet long, whereas other toilet brush cleaners, or Johnny Mops as we call them, are much shorter. So this means that the custodian is not having to get so close to the public restroom. So not only is it safe from a health perspective, but it makes them a little bit happier as well. Next, we have our Ergo dustpan. This is another cleaner favorite. And what's important to note about this one is the handle adjusts to meet the height of the cleaner. We know that cleaners are different heights. And so this can be adjustable so that they're comfortable while they're cleaning. They're not bending over to sweep up debris, and they're not, it's not too large for them as well. So they're comfortable. Ultimately, this is going to really lead to less aches and pains. And last but not least on this slide is our reacher, or as we coin it, the Nifty Nabber. This is one of Unger's best-selling products. It's a simple tool that allows you to pick up debris from the ground, or pick up debris from hard-to-reach places without the need for a ladder or stretching. So all of our tools are very comfortable to use. These types of tools are going to allow your cleaners to be more productive and ultimately keep them healthy and happy that their head is not so close to the toilet bowl. So we think that these tools are the right ergonomic tools that you need to get the job done. And now we're going to take a few minutes to watch our video on the Deep Clean RX system that comes with a lot of these great tools that we just talked about. As you saw there, the Deep Clean RX comes with all of the ergonomic tools that we mentioned on the slide before. In addition to all those tools, it comes with the OmniClean dual bucket mopping system and the Stingray Ultimate window and indoor surface cleaning tool. So what I want to tell you about the Stingray is that it provides a lot of benefits over traditional indoor window cleaning tools. The first is that we provide an extra pole, or 2 extra poles for this particular kit, that allow cleaners to reach up to 11 feet. So this is keeping your cleaners safely on the ground without the need to use a ladder. Beyond that, It's very ergonomic. The triangular shape, or that stingray shape, hence the name, allows cleaners to be able to access corners of windows and surfaces without the need to lift and turn their bodies. So it's a really seamless motion to get the job done. Then we also have included in the Stingray are sort of a bottle on board chemical bottle that you can use any of your preferred chemicals in. And the chemicals being contained in the Stingray make it so that your cleaner isn't, using a spray bottle in one hand. It's all one motion, and there's a trigger system to release just the right amount of chemical to clean the task at hand. So this unique design actually has been tested and has been proved to be 25% faster for cleaning indoor windows, as well as giving you a 39% savings in chemicals. So this is why it was developed. It was designed to help you reduce labor costs and spending on chemicals. All right, so I don't know if I mentioned this, but the Deep Clean system is built for end of the day deep cleaning needs. This is really our premium cart, and it comes with everything you see here, with the addition of the OmniClean dual bucket system you see right here. Now there are so many benefits of the OmniClean system. We won the ISSA 2020 Innovation Award for being so innovative. What I want to point out today is that this system is a true dual bucket with our rinse side, with our solution side on one side and the dirty water bucket on the other. So it's a true dual bucket system. They're not running into one another. What I also want to point out is that this system is a lot different than the traditional mop and bucket systems. And I want to specify that a lot of features that it has help to reduce employee fatigue. As you see on the screen here, the handle system, the way the poles are designed, are ergonomic. Your employee does not have to turn their body as much to clean. It's really a smooth motion that is handled in the arms and the wrists. And next, there's also the adjustable height of the pole for your cleaner's needs. If any of you are familiar with the difference in weight between a microfiber flat mop and a string mop, you'll know that the string mop is a lot heavier when wet. It's in fact 5 times heavier. So using the OmniClean system is a lot less strain on your employee while they're mopping. And last but not least, you see the large bucket there versus the small bucket. It's going to be a lot easier to lift and refill than those traditional mop and bucket systems. So we think that the OmniClean is the mopping system that you didn't realize you needed until you understand all the benefits that it has. The next system we have is our Spot Clean RX. This is perfect for on-the-go spot cleaning needs. Again, it comes with all those ergonomic tools with the addition of the Excella flat mop and the Speed Clean window cleaning kit. A little bit about the Excella that's important to note is it has those same great benefits of microfiber flat mopping. As I mentioned on the last slide, it has the ergonomic benefits of the pole. It has an adjustable pole, but this also has a removable bottle on board function for your chemicals. So the bottle on board allows the cleaner to dispense exactly the right amount of cleaning chemical that they need for a floor or for a cleaning instance. This helps to improve dry time. You can damp mop as opposed to wet mopping and getting the floor a lot damper. So this is a benefit. It allows the fact that it's removable allows you to easily change chemicals and swap them out for different floor types. And last but not least, the fact that it's removable makes it easy to clean. There are a lot of other bottle on board systems that have an integrated bottle with the pole, and it is just not as easy to clean. So that is a definite benefit of the Excella. Beyond that, we included in this cart the Speed Clean window tool, and that is an alternate to the Stingray that we saw on the Deep Clean. It's going to help cleaners reach up to 4 inches beyond their height. So again, keeping your cleaners safely on the ground and not injured. Last but not least, we have our Zone Clean RX system. This is configured with all those basic tools, the dustpan, the nifty nabber, the toilet brush, the Speed Clean, and everybody's favorite toilet brush. This unit is basically designed for end users that already have a mopping system that they're happy with, and they're just looking to upgrade their cart system, become more organized, and upgrade their general tools. So beyond the RX cart systems that I just mentioned, we have a full suite or family of cleaning tools to meet different needs. We have our compact carts over here, our compact OmniClean carts. So this is in the same family as the dual bucket system that we just saw. We have a restroom kit and we have the spot clean kit. These have the Accela with the bottle on board, as well as different tools for different tasks. And these are built for locations that have limited space and or storage space. The next is the restroom RX kits that Unger has been selling for some years now. These are really developed to optimize your cleaning process of restrooms. We all understand the importance of a clean restroom. This is where your building gets judged on. A clean restroom is so important, and these Unger carts have been a good seller for us in helping people improve their cleanliness of their restroom with our color coding systems. Last but not least, I wanted to point out that we do not only sell our carts as kits, we also sell it empty. So if you have all the tools you think you need and you're just looking for an upgraded, more durable cart that you can organize to help your employees get the job done, we also sell an empty cart that I wanted to point out. All right, so that is basically the end of the presentation, and I'm hoping that you leave here understanding that investing in an Unger cart system will improve efficiencies and will be a return on investment, and you can easily see a return on investment. Your business and your employees deserve an upgraded fleet. Thank you. Any questions?
Thanks, Sam. We do have a couple questions. What do I put in the front of the zone and spot?
Okay, that's a good question. There's extra space up there. We know that collecting trash is a big job of a lot of cleaners, and they often need extra space for that. So you could easily put another trash bag up there or recycling bin. Some cleaners need a vacuum, so that would be the perfect space to place a vacuum. I was also thinking during the first presentation that you could probably put an eye mop up there too.
Okay, we have time for one more question. When are these available?
These are available right now. They just launched last week.
Oh, exciting.
Yeah, very exciting.
Okay, we also had somebody who's very excited about that toilet brush and its extension.
I'm not surprised, honestly.
Okay, thanks, Sam. Any final thoughts for our audience?
Nope, but if you guys have any more questions, we can be reached with this contact information, or you can scan this QR code and check out these product pages on the website. Thank you so much.
Okay, great. Thank you.